hope you're doing well today. So, my resolution for 2021. I'm going to read them to you because memorizing them in 3 languages was just getting too messy. And I didn't want to start over and over and making 50,000 takes. So, my resolutions for 2021. I want to be healthy enough to live a dynamic life. Present enough to see, feel, smell, touch, and appreciate the daily wonders. Creative enough to make an adventure of every day. Strong enough to gracefully face whatever obstacle life has in store for me. Brave enough to accept challenges that matter to me, but that I could fail. Loving enough to forgive and excuse myself when I do hurt someone or make a mistake. Childish enough to not take me too seriously and laugh daily. Committed enough to steadily grow. Patient enough to always bring the best of me no matter the situation. Flexible enough to adapt to changes. Balanced enough to keep my north when the world seems to have lost it. Focused enough to always remember my values, especially when I'm feeling lost. What are yours? Think about them. As you can see, they are all resolutions that I can control, more or less. So remember, they have to be very important to you. They have to be connected to your values. All these resolutions are connected to my values. They are all connected with resilience. They are all connected with living a good life. So what are your resolutions? Share with me and have a great day. Ciao.